Hey y'all, it's 52 degrees this morning in Central Florida, and it's time for me to show you what's on the windowsill in my master bathroom. Here we are in my very teeny tiny master bathroom and my very teeny tiny windowsill. And I have 3 pots with baby monarch caterpillars in them. And I have them nestled in empty water bottles. This is the full-size water bottle that I just cut the bottom off and set over. These 2 pots are smaller, so I cut a slit down the side so I can curl them up smaller and set them over. It just keeps them contained, and it adds a little bit of protection to keep them warmer. Here is one you can see. I just cut it down the side, and then it curls up automatically, and then I can just set it down over the plant. This one is one I cut in half. This one here is one that is longer because the plant is taller. And then, like I said, this one's in a larger pot. So this is the full water bottle with the bottom cut off. So inside here, I have, I'm going to take one of the tops off so we can see the babies. This is an Asclepias incarnata plant that I grew from seed. You can see the little babies on there. And what's fabulous about this is that it has never been exposed to any monarch butterflies. So there's no possibility of it having OE spores on it. And if these caterpillars did get exposed to OE, it would simply have been from when they ate the egg that they hatched from. And there we go. I have monarch caterpillars on my windowsill. This is a cutting of a giant milkweed leaf, and this is what was in the taller water bottle pot covered caterpillar enclosure. There are 3 babies on this. This one probably climbed off the leaf to molt, just happily munching away, totally unaware of the cold weather that is occurring outside. So what does happen to monarch caterpillars when it drops down? Like, how cold can they tolerate? Well, anything below 55 degrees is going to cause some problems. They're going to start slowing down their metabolism, and as the temperature approaches freezing, their survival rate greatly decreases. When it does cool down, they try to seek shelter. Their metabolic rate slows, so therefore they are eating less. Their development slows down, and as the temperature drops even more, they'll go into a state of diapause, which allows them to conserve energy, but is not good for them. So when it gets below 55 degrees, monarch caterpillars are vulnerable to cold stress. And why would we want to stress out our caterpillars when we don't have to? So if I have a lot of monarch caterpillars, I usually take the whole enclosure inside. But in this case, I only had a few, and my windowsill is quite small. Could not fit an enclosure on there. So that's why I use the water bottle and potted milkweed method. So if you raise a few monarch caterpillars to become beautiful butterflies and your temps drop below 55, that's a good time to take them in.